Hello everyone, today I'm gonna take a look at this one. Oh, you're ready, so reading the title. What's it? So let's get into it. Okay, this is the Anker is a conference speaker. I want something some hands-free speaker to do conference and all that. So let's see. Okay, let's see. So it has we're gonna see. Has a few microphones around. It says it can last for 24 hours, maybe. 2 to 5. Okay, what does it say? 360. This is ambient noise. Boy indicator light. Oh, it has a charge, an output port. Yeah, compatible leading platform, 6 megs, 6 microphone. Voice enhancement for other means. Says 24 hours. Okay, USB-C. USB-C, yeah, that way. Back. It says the device itself, travel case, which may be handy, and cable. So let's get this done. I hate this. I hate this nylon covering. Okay. Let's get this. Okay. The good pen method. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, have the box, nice padding here. Anker woke up. Yeah, this is for configuration and firmware update and all that. Okay, yet another USB-C cable. Let's see how long is it. Let me see if you can see. I'll say a meter. Yeah, I'd say 1 meter, maybe 1 meter, 3 feet, whatever. Yeah, not too bad, actually. Looks sturdy. Not like all the flimsy cables I've seen. Looks quite sturdy and thick. Okay, let's continue. I like the padding. Okay, it comes inside the bag, which we're going to open now. The booklet, user manual. In many languages I don't speak. English, Deutsch, Español, Francés, Italiano, Portugués, Ruski in some other Asian languages. Also, the warranty, safety information, and all that. Happy, yeah, and I know it. You happy, tell your friend, share, connect, etc., etc., etc. And not happy, well, fuck off. But, yeah, customer service, okay. Now, let's get to another big guy. So, compared to my hand, let's see. Can you see it? Compared to my hand. Oh. The travel case is filled with a chip. With some padding, not much. Don't go throwing it. Okay, so we have the thing itself. You have some LEDs here, so for indication. The power button, the Bluetooth button. This is for pairing, and you have the. Can you see here? These are the microphone holes. Supposed to take 360 voice. On the back, you have the USB-C power, and according to the manufacturer, this is also a USB DAC. So you can use it as a speaker via USB, and use it as a directly connected to USB, which is nice. Yeah, it's really cute, actually. Yeah. Aux out. This is according to the manual. According to the manual, you can use it as a analog output. Hopefully it's stereo. Let me see. Okay. So this audio output, you can connect the speaker. It doesn't say if it's stereo. Half is stereo, I guess. And as you can see here, you can connect and charge another device. Can it do daisy chain? I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, so on top you have the, let's take this off. Hey. Oh. You have the play button, increase volume, decrease volume, answer and hang, and the mute. See, tactile. I don't see. Is it tactile? I don't see push Let's see. Okay. I guess that's all for it. Looks nice. I'll be using it probably. First user I'm gonna have will be WhatsApp with the phone. I'm probably using with the laptop as a conference speaker. Maybe my next meeting I'll use it. I'll give it a try. Okay. Well, that will be it. Actually, yeah. Thanks for watching and cheers.